Hi there, my name's Kathy. I'm from New Zealand. I've been at Bliss for 6 days. It's been amazing, and I came here looking for a place to relax and rest and see some of Bali, and I just loved every minute of it. It's a really great place for women. You're looked after so well by all the staff. The treatments are fabulous, and having them every day. You feel really safe, and it's a really great place to be nourished emotionally and physically. So my favourite food here probably is banana pancakes for breakfast, or the nasi goreng with the egg on top, and lunch are the healthy bowls that is fabulous. The dinners are great. There's like a buffet, so with something for everybody. Just really well cooked and prepared, healthy food, super tasty, and made with a lot of love. You can feel that. So I went on a cooking class, and we went to the markets in Denpasar, and we chose all the food we were going to cook for the day. The lady the woman that took us around, we got to taste different things and showed us different fruits and vegetables, and then we went back and cooked it and ate it for lunch, and it was great, really great trip, and I got so much information out of it, and it was just a lot of fun as well. I went on the eco bike tour as well, which was just one of my favourite days. We ended up cycling through the Balinese villages and got to see the children and the dogs and temples, and just really got a good insight into Balinese life. And everyone along the way has been really genuinely welcoming and friendly. So yeah, it was awesome. It's something that I won't forget. Oh, and so my favourite treatments, I've got a mani and a pedi which match, and the Balinese massage is probably one of my favourite things, but actually all the treatments have just been really nourishing and just amazing and really thorough. And yeah, it's been a really great time and really positive, and I feel refreshed and revived and rejuvenated and ready to go back to my normal life. But I'll be back definitely.